Well, I think that in this day and age, everything is so visual, so Instagram would be my #1 recommendation. It's a good platform to showcase your skills and your talent. Facebook is a good platform if you're looking to further your business. So it's good because you can add your book now buttons, you can link it to your websites, and you can also book appointments through Facebook as well. So Facebook's also a good one to generate clients and to run promotions and things like that. If you're a vocal nail artist, then Twitter is really good as well, but not so much. First of all, it's all about lighting. You need to either find a space with really good natural light, or you can invest in making or buying a light box. And then you could use your camera phone. Angles is key. You need to make sure that the hands are really positioned well to showcase all your skills that you've done. No-nos are always the claw ones. They are so back in the day. Don't do the claw. I would try and position them as straight as possible, a bit like this. I wouldn't even say it's so much the perfect picture, it's just making sure your work is perfect. If your work is perfect, then the picture comes very easily. So I'd say be a perfectionist in your actual job, and then the picture's secondary. Of course, you have to hashtag nails. There are loads of things. Always hashtag your location as well and where you are in your particular city. Always be quite descriptive as well, because what you find is when people are looking for something specific, they will put that specific hashtag in. So say you had nails that had a palm tree on it, it would be good to hashtag palm tree nails, or if they were summer nails, or baby bloomers, or ombre nails. So it's always good to be as descriptive as possible when it comes to hashtags. Another thing is to maybe think outside the box and tag and hashtag people or things that would normally use nails. So I like to hashtag on our Instagram like the fashion industry or fashion photography or things like that, because with fashion goes nails. Show some love to your fellow nail technicians. Get in contact with them, tag them on things that you've done and posts that you've done, just so you can get the love back, so you can get the support. And what you'll find is when other nail technicians are supporting you, their followers and their audience is also looking at you as well. So the first thing I'd say is show some love to your fellow nail technician. Instagram has loads of ways in which you can promote your pictures and your posts so that you can access a larger audience. So I'd say to invest in that would be #1. So our feed would be our actual work, so like a good image of the nails that our girls have done. The quirky behind the scenes salon sort of everyday life sort of thing that we would post on our actual Insta stories. So we try and show you our work and our professionalism and our perfection, and then secondary, you see the fun side of us.